The Nike Dunk Low City Market will be dropping March 4th. Like this video and subscribe for more resale predictions and drop lists. The Nike Dunk Low City Market will be retailing for $110 and reselling for around $475. So it definitely will be a great shoe to go for. It's going to sell for a ton of money, so I definitely would suggest going for these. Like, of course, they're going to have a super wide margin and just overall be like a kind of great shoe to go for. Even if these do brick, like, they're going to still sell for $200 and you can easily make a profit on these. So these are a shoe you kind of have to go for. Probably going to go for around $450 to $500. So you should be making $200 to $300 per pair of these you get. So I would just definitely suggest going for it. You can also go for the Supreme shoes. They're dropping the same day, so I think it's just a really nice item to go for. And I just think a lot of people will be liking these. It's a really interesting kind of colorway. I'm not the biggest fan of the colorway, but I think it is like a really interesting route they're going on these. So I think a lot of people will be into these, and just since it's a Dunk Low, there's gonna be a lot of hype around these just because they are a Dunk Low that has like a weird kind of like color or whatever. It's kind of like the Community Gardens in my opinion. Those weren't like the greatest colorway in my opinion, but I'm pretty sure they did really well. And I think they probably had a little bit more stock than these. And so these I would expect to do really well as well. In my opinion, this is not like, it's not the greatest colorway. Like, I'm more of a fan of just solid color blocking, but I think it is like a lot of people will be liking this. I think it looks really good. And even if like I'm not the biggest fan of it, it kind of just looks like a bunch of newspaper clippings together, which can kind of like, come out to a really nice shoe. And I think this is a nice shoe that a lot of people will like. So I definitely would suggest going for it on March 4th on Nike sneakers, just because they'll have a ton of good resale and they could be a really cool personal as well if you want to keep them for yourself.